So I've added the search class to our project. We're going to implement all our searching algorithms in this class. So let's add a new method, public integer. That's the index of the item we're looking for. We call the method linear search and give it 2 parameters, an integer array called array and the target value. So here we need a for loop. For I, we set it to 0. We iterate over the entire array. And in every step, if the current item, that is array of I, equals this target value, then we're going to return I as the index of this item. Otherwise, if we iterate the entire array and we cannot find this item, we're going to return -1. As simple as that. Now let's test our implementation. So here in the main class, we have an array of numbers. Let's create an instance of the search class. Here we call search.linearSearch, give it our array of numbers, and let's say we're looking for 7. This will return an index, and then we can print this on the console. So we get 7. What if you search for a number that doesn't exist in this array? Let's say 70. We should get -1. There you go. Beautiful. So our implementation is working. Next, we're going to look at binary search.